In today's video, I am going to teach you how to color code calendar in Notion. If you've ever wanted your Notion calendar to stand out at a glance, this simple approach gives your entire calendar a clean, consistent background color. It's quick to set up and easy to adjust later, and it works with any calendar database you already have on a page. Start by placing your calendar database inside a toggle or a callout block. The idea is to use that container to hold the calendar so the color applies to the whole thing. If you are starting from an existing calendar on your page, create a toggle or a callout just above it. Then drag your calendar database under that block until you see it nest inside. You'll know it worked when the calendar is indented beneath the toggle or appears inside the callout area. A toggle gives you a collapsible arrow, which is handy if you want to hide the calendar when you are not using it. A callout gives you a clean tinted section with an optional icon. Either option works. Choose the look you prefer. Next, change the background color of that container block. Hover near the left edge of the toggle or callout until you see the 6-dot handle. Then open the menu and choose Color. Pick a background that matches your workspace theme or helps the calendar jump off the page. Softer colors tend to keep the text readable, while brighter colors create strong visual anchors. You can always experiment here. The color applies to the container, so your whole calendar gets the same backdrop without changing any calendar settings. Optionally, you can change the block type back to text to remove the toggle arrow while keeping the background color. This is perfect if you like the solid color look, but don't need the collapsible behavior. Converting the block back to text keeps the calendar inside that colored section just without the arrow. The color remains applied to the container, so you get a seamless framed calendar that feels native to the page layout. If you ever missed the toggle functionality, you can switch it back the same way you changed it in the first place. And that's it. By nesting your calendar inside a toggle or callout and assigning a background color to the container, you've effectively color-coded your calendar with a single consistent style. It's tidy, it's flexible, and it makes scanning your schedule much easier. Thanks for watching.